Hello YouTube, this is Nick Bevan or Guitar Guy 8796. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for Crazy Train. It's going to be the intro. If you don't know, it sounds like this. Okay, now when we do that, we're going to start off on the low E string. The first note is on the second fret of the low E string. So we got, we strum this twice. And then we head over to the A string, which is the fifth one up. We go to the fourth fret, so we get this. So right now we have, and then we go back to the E, and then we go to the fifth fret on the A. So far we have this. So after we play a note on the A, we always head back to the E, second fret on the E. Okay, are you with me so far? Okay. So, once we're done with that, we go down to the second fret of the A. If you have that, you're doing it right. We strum second fret, open, and then we go to the fourth fret on the E, and then A open, and then second fret of the A, fourth fret. Okay, so if you're with me, or if you paid attention, if you didn't get this right, you can go back to the beginning and watch it again. So this is what we have. And Ozzy, the way he plays Crazy Train, it repeats 4 times with the bass going. So that's Crazy Train. I'm gonna do some more videos. You guys can request stuff. I think my next video will be Master of Puppets. Just request songs if you want them. I'll learn.